I'm with Olive Tree, and I've got another great recipe for you for the fall, spring, summer, winter, anytime. This is a basic balsamic vinaigrette recipe, and what's so great about this is you can mix it up to make any flavors by changing your olive oils and balsamic vinegar. So today I'm going to do one with apple balsamic vinegar and a basil olive oil. So it's just a simple, once you do this once or twice, you'll have this recipe down and be able to do this with any of your products. So it's just as simple as the balsamic vinegar, the olive oil, honey, Dijon mustard, and some salt and pepper. And I put it in the shaker and mix it up, and then it stays for the next couple salads.